Hey everyone, welcome back. Does PUBG Mobile disconnect you mid-match or throw a connection error even though your internet clearly works fine for everything else? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This fully resets your network connection and clears a stale session that PUBG servers can't reject even when your internet looks fine. After reconnecting, go ahead and force close the PUBG mobile app from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh. If it disconnects, again go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi, tap the little I next to your network name and tap forget this network, then reconnect by tapping the network again and entering your password, which clears a broken connection profile. If this happens specifically on Wi-Fi, try mobile data instead to isolate whether your network is the cause. Next, also in the settings, go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management and confirm that no VPN is active, since VPNs are a very common trigger for mid-match disconnections in PUBG Mobile. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, forget and reconnect, Wi-Fi and turn off any VPN. Connection stays stable mid-match and that's it. Subscribe.